Number 1. Soak clothes to whiten in sun. Achieving brilliantly white laundry without chlorine bleach is simple with hydrogen peroxide and sunshine. Fill a large basin or bathtub with warm water and add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide for every gallon of water. Submerge white linens, shirts, or towels and let them soak for 1 to 2 hours. After soaking, wring out excess water and hang items on a clothesline in direct sunlight. The combination of hydrogen peroxide and ultraviolet rays from the sun creates a powerful natural bleaching effect that removes yellowing and brightens fabrics. Number 2. Soak toothbrushes overnight. Your toothbrush is supposed to clean your mouth, but have you thought about what's growing on those bristles? Bacteria accumulate rapidly, especially in humid bathroom environments. Fill a small cup with enough hydrogen peroxide to completely submerge the brush head and let it soak overnight. The peroxide will kill bacteria, viruses, and even fungal spores that may be lurking in the bristles. In the morning, rinse the toothbrush thoroughly under hot running water before use. Number 3. Rinse buildup from washing machine. Washing machines can develop unpleasant odors and build up from detergent residue, hard water minerals, and mildew growth. To deep clean your machine, pour 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide directly into the empty drum. Select the hottest water setting and run a complete wash cycle without any clothes or detergent. Pay special attention to front-loading washers, which are prone to mildew in the rubber door seal. Wipe this area with a cloth soaked in hydrogen peroxide after the cycle completes. Number 4. Whiten teeth with a simple mix. Professional teeth whitening can be expensive, but you can achieve similar results at home with hydrogen peroxide. Mix equal parts 3% hydrogen peroxide with water to create a whitening rinse. Swish this solution around your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds, making sure it reaches all tooth surfaces, then spit it out and rinse thoroughly with plain water. For more intensive whitening, dip your toothbrush into the solution and brush gently for 2 minutes. This method effectively removes surface stains from coffee, tea, red wine, and other foods. However, limit this treatment to 2 or 3 times per week to avoid enamel sensitivity. Number 5. Wash fruits and vegetables. Create a simple cleaning solution by combining 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with a full sink of cold water. Submerge your produce and let it soak for about 5 minutes. You'll notice the water may become cloudy as contaminants are released. After soaking, rinse everything thoroughly under fresh running water to remove any residue. Number 6. Sanitize jars before canning. Food safety is paramount when preserving fruits, vegetables, and other home canned goods. Before filling jars, wash them in hot soapy water, then spray the inside of each jar with hydrogen peroxide. Allow the peroxide to sit for at least 5 minutes while you prepare your other canning supplies. Pour out any excess liquid and place jars upside down on a clean towel to drain. This extra sanitizing step kills bacteria and mold spores that could spoil your preserved foods or even cause dangerous foodborne illness. For metal lids and rings, soak them in a bowl of hydrogen peroxide for 5 minutes as well. Number 7. Kill mold on tiles and walls. Mold is more than just unsightly. It's a health hazard that thrives in damp environments. Hydrogen peroxide offers a powerful solution without toxic fumes. Pour undiluted 3% hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and apply generously to affected areas. The key is to let it sit for at least 15 minutes so the peroxide can penetrate deep into the mold colonies. After waiting, use a scrub brush with firm bristles to remove the dead mold, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. Unlike bleach, hydrogen peroxide won't release harmful gases, and it actually kills mold at the roots rather than just bleaching it white. For prevention, spray surfaces weekly in moisture-prone areas. Number 8. Brighten yellow toenails. Yellow discolored toenails are a common problem caused by nail polish, fungal infections, or simply aging combat. This issue by soaking your feet in a basin of warm water mixed with 3 to 4 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the peroxide to penetrate the nail bed and lift discoloration. After soaking, use a soft nail brush to gently scrub each toenail, focusing on areas with the most yellowing. Number 9. Disinfect wood cutting boards. Wooden cutting boards are kitchen essentials, but they can harbor dangerous bacteria in their porous surfaces. After washing your board with hot soapy water, Pour hydrogen peroxide directly over the entire surface, making sure to cover all areas that came into contact with food. You'll see it foam and bubble as it works to eliminate bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli. Let it sit for several minutes before wiping dry with a clean towel. For boards that have been used to cut raw meat, this disinfecting step is absolutely crucial. Repeat this process after each use with raw proteins, and do a deep clean weekly, even for boards used only for vegetables. Number 10. Scrub stains from slow cookers. Slow cookers develop stubborn stains from hours of cooking, especially when making tomato-based dishes or chili. Instead of scrubbing endlessly, create a powerful cleaning paste using 3 tablespoons of baking soda mixed with enough hydrogen peroxide to form a thick consistency. Apply this paste generously to all stained areas inside your slow cooker insert. Allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for severe staining. The chemical reaction between baking soda and hydrogen peroxide creates a gentle abrasive action that lifts stains without scratching ceramic surfaces. Wipe away with a soft sponge and rinse thoroughly. Your slow cooker will look nearly brand new. Number 11. Soak sponges and dishwasher parts. Kitchen sponges are notorious breeding grounds for bacteria, often harboring more germs than a toilet seat. Instead of constantly buying new sponges, extend their life by soaking them in a hydrogen peroxide solution. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and warm water in a bowl and submerge your sponges for at least 10 minutes. This treatment kills harmful bacteria while also removing food odors that sponges tend to absorb. You can use this same solution for removable dishwasher parts like utensil holders and filter screens. After soaking, rinse everything thoroughly and allow items to air dry completely. Even with regular disinfecting, replace kitchen sponges every 2 to 3 weeks for optimal hygiene. Number 12. Disinfect floors with mop water. Floor cleaning doesn't require harsh chemicals that leave behind fumes and residue. Add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your regular bucket of hot mop water for powerful disinfecting action. This solution is safe for most floor types, including tile, vinyl, and sealed hardwood. The peroxide breaks down dirt and kills germs without leaving a sticky residue that can attract more dirt. Focus on high-traffic areas like entryways and in front of the sink where bacteria tend to accumulate. For homes with pets or small children who spend time on the floor, hydrogen peroxide offers peace of mind because it breaks down into simple water and oxygen. There's no need to rinse afterward, just let floors air dry naturally. Number 13. Freshen natural fiber rugs. Natural fiber rugs made from jute, sisal, or seagrass add wonderful texture to a home but can develop musty odors, especially in humid climates. Create a refreshing spray by mixing equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the entire surface of the rug, being careful not to oversaturate as too much moisture can damage natural fibers. Allow the rug to air dry completely, preferably in a well-ventilated area or outdoors in indirect sunlight. The hydrogen peroxide neutralizes odors and kills any mildew or bacteria causing the smell. Before treating the entire rug, always test your solution on a small hidden section to ensure it won't affect the color or texture of the fibers. Number 14. Remove stains from carpet. Carpet stains don't have to be permanent, even when they seem hopelessly set in. For most stains, mix 2 parts water with 1 part hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. Spray the stained area generously and let it sit for 5 minutes to penetrate the carpet fibers. Blot firmly with a clean white cloth, working from the outside of the stain toward the center to prevent spreading. For protein-based stains like blood or pet accidents, hydrogen peroxide is particularly effective because it breaks down organic matter. Never rub or scrub vigorously, as this can damage carpet fibers and push the stain deeper. For stubborn stains, you may need to repeat the process several times, but patience pays off with noticeably cleaner carpets. Number 15. Clean foam spots on mattresses. Mattress stains from sweat, spills, or other accidents can be embarrassing and unhygienic, but hydrogen peroxide offers an effective solution. Create a cleaning mixture using equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water, then add just a few drops of dish soap. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the stained area without soaking through to the mattress core. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then blot thoroughly with clean towels, applying pressure to absorb as much moisture as possible. For odor removal, sprinkle the area with baking soda after treatment and let it sit for several hours before vacuuming. Always test cleaning solutions on an inconspicuous area first, and use fans or open windows to speed drying time and prevent mildew growth in the mattress.